Will Bun replace Node.js? There has been much excitement about the release of Bun, so is it finally time to say goodbye to Node.js and update your resume to showcase this new technology? Maybe not just yet, at least not until you watch this video. Let's dive in. Developers often complain about Node.js, but right now there are only two alternatives. The first one is Deno, which is being developed by the original creator of Node.js. After leaving the project years ago, he's now attempting to step into the same river once again. However, integrating TypeScript as the main language by default has proven to be quite challenging. Source code files and JS files can also be typed using JSDoc, still need to be compiled and cached. The resulting JavaScript code is executed in the V8 runtime, just like Node.js. Ultimately, JavaScript remains at the core of Deno. Now there's another alternative, the Bun project. It's written in Zig, a relatively new programming language that competes with Rust, another low-level language for system utilities. Unlike Node.js, which uses Google's V8 engine, Bun works on Apple's JavaScript core and is built from scratch. Bun comes with a bunch of cool features, including out-of-the-box support for TypeScript, NPM compatibility, a high-speed bundler, built-in support for SQLite and WebSocket, and much more. So, how does Bun outshine Node.js? Node.js has slower startup times, which can affect runtime performance in serverless environments. On top of that, to build code, Node.js relies on external solutions known as bundlers, also written in JavaScript. In contrast, Bun handles this process internally, leading to a native project build that can be 50 times faster or even more. And when it comes to TypeScript, Node.js knows nothing about it. To write a TypeScript backend, you need a toolchain to convert it into JavaScript and then run it with Node.js. But with Bun, you don't have to worry about all that. Bun essentially does the same thing, but internally and under the hood. Plus, Bun also has built-in support for JavaScript, JSX, TSX, and JS with XML, along with other awesome features. So, should you forget about Node.js and embrace this faster, cooler, and more reliable option? Well, we don't recommend it, and here's why. Bun is still a very new technology, and it might take months, if not years, to become mainstream, if it ever does. While you can already start rewriting the backend of your personal programs with Bun, large corporations are unlikely to rush into rewriting the backend of their enterprise products for a technology that hasn't gained widespread adoption yet. So for now, it's best to combine the tried-and-true tools with the new ones. Subscribe to the Singular channel to learn more about technology.